Good morning, good morning, good morning. Eric F&P. Today we're going to talk about a French bike again. It's the Santa Cruz, and this time around, can you see it behind me? Yeah, it's a Bronson. So it's 2019 model, this one, and I think it's one of the sexier models around. The color is sick. It's size medium, this one, and it comes in at approximately 13.8 kilos. So it's a quite light of a beast, but take a look at the parts and you'll understand why to an extent it's so light. If you have any comments, leave them below, and then I'll try to answer them. In the meantime, thanks for watching. You. Hey, what's up, guys? Check it out, yo. Santa Cruz Bronson. Used to be a rare beast, but after that, right now, it's out in action again. Well, this one basically used to be the Mega Tower-ish kind of a bike, right? You know, it's a do-it-all allegedly, and then because of its 150 travel, but after which the Mega grew bigger, the Nomad grew bigger, and then became the Mega. So this one is almost a forgotten beast, I'm sorry. Alright, so bike check again. French bike, as usual. Santa Cruz crew. Let's take a look at his bike. And let's see what is interesting. The all famous ODI grips. Got XTR here, this one. You can tell from the carbon. XTR brakes. Nice ice chrome. Thompson. Oh, another rare beauty. NV rims. NV handlebars. Wolf tooth. Chris King. Fox 36 factory. Minion DHFs. This is a rare one. It's on the TRSR carbon rims, this one. And of course, our faithful Chris King. Braking rotors, also very rare. These can be bought in Singapore via the Santa Cruz dealer Revo. E12s, DMRs, E13-N, Guide, EXT Astoria. Now these are few to come by here in Singapore, but the color is sick. Check out the color. Again, black chrome. Allegedly these are quite comfortable, quite plush, and the spring color. Look at that. It is a beaut. Very rare, very rare. Fox Transfer Kashimas, fabric saddle. XTR components on this one. The previous one still smooth gliding. E13 cassette coupled with a DHR on the rear, and then this one here is the upgrade 4-pot XTR. Check it out. Sexy beast. Very rare componentries to an extent. Well, I hope you enjoy this, and comments below, subscribe. Tune in next time for more bike checks here from Singapore. You.